morning. I was driving through the countryside this morning, taking the long, slow way to work with my little dog, Australia. Come get on your mat, Australia. Right here. Come on, get on your mat. Stay on your mat. Anyway, I was admiring my new floor mats. You know, we had a sale on them yesterday. We've been waiting for these things forever. And I'm like, you know what? There's a lot of people that are at the financial place in their life where 10% on some expensive floor mats just doesn't do anything for them. They still watch our specials and our emails, but right now their diaper bill is more important than their floor mats for their toy. And so year after year, week after week, month after month, whatever, the car sits without getting much love. So we want to give you something where everybody can play. So I had an idea on the way to work. We are going to do our first ever 99% off sale on an item that almost every 67, 68 Cougar needs. So come on, Australia, let's go. My number 2 pet peeve with these grills is the Emblem. The number 1 pet peeve I have, focus, the number 1 pet peeve I have on these cars is, of course, the misalignments that they all have. We got videos on how to fix that, and of course, this is my driver, and I'll fix that later. But today we're going to focus on this Emblem. I hate seeing these beautiful cars in our calendars, on the internet, with this faded out, dirty Emblem. Well, it just looks dirty. You know, for some reason, this one fades worse than this one. And of course we have that replacement too, and we have another video that shows you how you easily replace that background decal. And we also have a video showing you how to change this whole thing. But what if you're on a budget and you don't want to buy this chrome Corral? Well, I got an answer for you. We had a batch made and there was a mistake. They put the studs in the wrong place. You know, they just won't fit in the holes. You know, and I could throw these away, but I have another solution. There's 2 ways to do it. You can do it what I feel like is the right way and re-drill the holes in the right position, so you can actually put them on that way. But why not break these studs off and use some adhesive here? I got some 3M adhesive. There's lots of different adhesives you can use that'll bond this on there. So this is going to be a quick, easy solution. So I say, let's just break this off gently. And they come off pretty easy, actually. We're going to throw that away. We're going to break these studs off, and I'm just going to adhere it in place, put this on, and we're going to be done in seconds. Okay, I'm going to suggest you find an apparatus like this. Of course, you could use a Dremel tool. There's all different kinds of ways to remove this. So I'm just going to, this is somewhat of a soft metal, so clip it off. Here's what it looks like when you just bend it back and forth. Now notice those are some hardy looking studs there. So if I go like this and just go like that, here's what you end up doing. You end up poking a hole in it, which probably isn't the end of the world. It's not going to show. So either way works. So we're going to leave half of it like that and half of it like that. They got those 2 important index holes right at the factory, so that's important. And here's our new Emblem. Let's get our little clips out of here. Oh, doesn't that look good? I guarantee for the next month, every time you walk by the front of your car, you're going to stare at these. Oh, and by the way, sometimes these clips just aren't tight enough. So it doesn't hurt to give a little pressure there. That tightens it up. Let's see if I can get this clip back off. And let's give it a little more reason to bite. That fits better. Okay, and some adhesive here. We're going to do a nice liberal This has been sitting for a couple weeks, and the problem with this particular product is once you open it, you better use it. And there's rarely an instance where you need a whole tube. I use these for installing the quarter windows. I should say the quarter window moldings on these cars. Nice, big, goobery glob. And of course, we don't have a way to index it with a stud, so we're going to be looking at the previous mess. Here we go. We'll clean up our mess later. While it's drying, I think I'm just going to leave it like this for the next 24 hours. Not touch it. It might stay in place, but I'm not going to risk it. Hey, we got a little bee. Come here, bee. Come here, bee. Come on. Get on my finger. Oh, he doesn't like the chemical smell. Maybe he'll get on this finger.
Anyway. Focus.
Trying to do it, Andrew. So there you have it, a 5-minute project that we're giving you 99% off Corral. And these aren't very expensive, nor is the background there. So you aren't going to break the budget doing this. I think that's a major upgrade right there, the grill, because your eye just focuses on it. I say while you're at it, pick up that little guy too. Hey, thanks for watching, and I'm glad I could help you out on this, this little bit of a sale today.